Hey guys, today I'll be sharing my skincare routine with you all, showing you the products that I use and also tell you how I begin my day. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I begin by mixing 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar into 200 ml of water and have it first thing in the morning. This basically helps with digestion and any sort of acid reflux that I would get through the day. I use this cleansing oil with a Q-tip to remove leftover kajal since the night and any sort of mascara. It is super gentle around your eyes as well. Then I like to take a little bit of raw milk and mix some saffron in this. Now raw milk is really good in hydrating dry skin. It also helps with skin pigmentation and dark spots that you have. I like to apply this on my face and neck, and since it was chilled in the fridge, it also feels really cooling on the skin. And finally, it's been about 20-25 minutes after I've had my ACV and I love making breakfast. I like having oats or granola mixed with a little bit of curd, maple syrup or honey. I keep the mask in for about 15 minutes, I rinse it off, and then I enjoy eating my breakfast. And I also like to have daily greens. Now this is an effervescent tablet and the tablet contains all the goodness of a lot of vegetables in it. It has vitamin C, B12, so I try and have this daily in the morning. And then I use this cleansing foam to wash my face really well. I like to use the FOREO Luna 2 to gently exfoliate my skin, and this also increases the blood circulation around my skin. I kind of use it every day, but you can also alternate and use it. And then I use the Pixi Glow Tonic Toner all over my face and neck. This has 5% glycolic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing a healthy glowing skin. And then I use this water essence just to add another layer of hydration and also prepare my skin for the serums that I'll be applying. It's super lightweight and water-like, so it does not make my skin feel too heavy because I'm adding an extra step into my skincare routine. I use the Shiseido Spot Corrector Serum, which basically helps with any sort of dark spots that you have, which I'm having right now. If you can see, I have a little bit of sunspots and dark spots, so this is going to help in diminishing that. So I gently just pat the product into my skin really well. And I'll never have a skincare routine without eye cream. So I use the Estee Lauder A&R Eye Concentrate day and night. Adding a really nice layer of moisture by using the Belif moisturizing balm. Again, this is super hydrating but not very heavy on the skin. And ending it with one of my favorite sunscreens. This is the La Shield sunscreen. It is absolutely amazing for oily skin or combination skin. So I always end my skincare routine with a really good sunscreen. And if you have any active blemishes, you can use the Clinique Anti-Blemish Clinical Clearing Gel. This instantly dries up your acne, but try and use this in the night. But you can dot this in the day if you are staying at home and not really stepping out. And that's about it, guys. This is my skincare routine and how I start my day. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, comment below, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.